This video will cover everything you need to know about WISE. First, we'll give you an introduction to WISE and tell you what WISE is. Then we'll show the benefits of having a WISE account. And then I'll give you a step-by-step guide to opening a WISE account. If you want to open a WISE account, you can do that by clicking on the link in the description down below. Now let's begin the video. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a renowned specialist in low-cost currency conversions and international money transfers. The rebranding to Wise reflects its expanded range of services and commitment to simplifying global financial transactions. Wise's mission is to make international banking and money transfers transparent, fair, and convenient for everyone. Its vision is to empower individuals and businesses to manage their finances across borders seamlessly. With a presence in over 70 countries and the ability to hold and convert money in 55 currencies, Wise has established itself as a trusted and accessible financial platform for individuals and businesses worldwide. Wise has three key features, the first one being transparent pricing. Wise offers competitive and transparent pricing, ensuring that customers always know the exact amount they are paying for international transfers and currency conversions. Second, multi-currency account. Users can hold and manage money in multiple currencies, enabling them to send, receive, and spend money internationally without the hassle of traditional banking. And last but not least, integration with popular apps. Wise seamlessly integrates with everyday apps like Venmo, allowing users to move funds into their Wise account from abroad and connect with their preferred payment platforms. Verification and security. Opening a Wise account involves a straightforward verification process, usually requiring photo ID, proof of address, and a verification photo. This ensures the security and integrity of the platform and its users. Security measures. Wise employs robust security measures to protect user data and transactions, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and continuous monitoring for suspicious activities. Customer support. Wise provides reliable customer support to assist users through the account opening process and address any queries or concerns they may have. You can use Wise as a bank account alternative. Because you don't have monthly fees, Wise personal accounts come with no monthly fees, making it an attractive alternative to traditional bank accounts. Users can obtain a linked Wise card for a low one-time fee, providing them with a convenient payment method for their international financial activities. And Wise charges minimal fees on international transfers, ensuring that users have full visibility into the costs associated with their transactions. Section 2. The benefits of a Wise account. Wise uses cost-effective currency conversion. They have low exchange rates. Wise offers competitive exchange rates, allowing users to convert currencies at a lower cost compared to traditional banks and currency exchange services. Users benefit from transparent and minimal fees for currency conversion, ensuring that they receive the most value for their money. And Wise provides real-time exchange rates, enabling users to make informed decisions when converting currencies. International money transfers. Wise charges minimal fees for international money transfers, saving users money compared to traditional bank transfers. Users can enjoy swift international transfers through Wise, ensuring that their funds reach the intended recipient promptly. And Wise simplifies the process of sending money to family and friends abroad, as well as paying bills and managing international finances seamlessly. Next, we'll talk about the multi-currency account benefits. There are three benefits. The first one is global flexibility. With a multi-currency account, users have the flexibility to hold and manage money in different currencies, eliminating the need for multiple bank accounts. Second, we have simplified international spending. Wise enables users to spend money internationally without incurring high foreign transaction fees, making it an ideal solution for frequent travelers and international businesses. And last but not least, currency management. Users can monitor and manage their currency holdings efficiently, leveraging Wise intuitive platform to optimize their international financial activities. Wise provides a user-friendly and intuitive platform, ensuring that individuals and businesses can navigate their financial activities with ease. The The seamless integration with apps like Venmo and others enhance the accessibility and convenience of using a Wise account for international transactions. Wise's global reach and accessibility empower users to connect with their finances across borders, fostering a sense of financial inclusivity and empowerment. Section 3: a step-by-step guide on how to open a Wise account. When you want to open a Wise account, you can do that by clicking on the link in the description down below. The process begins with creating a Wise account, providing users with access to a range of international financial services and features. Next, users will need to complete the verification process, typically involving photo ID, proof of address, and the verification photo to ensure account security. Upon registration, users can familiarize themselves with the Wise platform, exploring its various functionalities and capabilities. Users can move funds into their Wise accounts from abroad, leveraging Wise's competitive exchange rates and minimal fees for international transfers. Wise allows users to link their preferred payment methods, facilitating seamless funding and transactions within the platform. Users can gain insights into managing and utilizing their multi-currency account effectively, optimizing their international financial activities. Users can explore Wise's currency conversion features, benefiting from real-time rates and transparent fees for converting currencies. Wise also provides users with a comprehensive understanding of the process for initiating international money transfers, including speed, fees, and recipient details. Users can also navigate the account management features of Wise, including monitoring balances, transaction history, and currency holdings. Leveraging Wise for international finances. Users can learn how to leverage their Wise account for international spending, including making payments, managing bills, and conducting seamless financial transactions. Wise educates users on securities, best practice, ensuring that they are equipped to safeguard their account and transactions effectively. Users can access Wise's customer support and educational resources to enhance their understanding of using the platform for international finances. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you found this video helpful, and if you have any feedback or any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. and please consider subscribing.